Flashes a little bright?
Yep.
Alright, well, we're having some wonderful September weather here that flashed that bright.
Bright! Stop!
As you can see. Round 2 with our next round of meat birds. These guys are what, 3 weeks, 4 weeks old? Mason, any idea? No. Yeah, they're around there, but we've had nothing but rain showers for the last week on it, and just pretty much straight. And if you're watching the other videos of our mobile tractor, still doing well. We'll do another review on all this after a while, next video or so. But what we had issue, I got home from work today and went out to do chores, and our top tarp that we had just on top was blowed off because of the weather. So figured with being middle of September, cooler temperatures setting in, plus these guys were in the wet rain, so we gave them a heat lamp. Got to treat the meats right, let them dry off nice. We didn't make any videos on these guys when they first got here. That's my fault.
Yeah,
but...
it is all your fault. Don't shine that on my eyes. It's bright.
So yeah, we're about 3 or 4 weeks behind on these guys. I'll get the exact date. We'll put it in the description. But what do you think, Mace? How old do you think they are? I think they're 3 weeks.
4.
4? Yeah, 4 sounds about right. Well, they're due at the end of September. So what do we got? What's today?
The 9th or 6th?
No, the 11th. September 11th. That's right.
I told you to stop shining that in my eye.
So yeah, we got say 20 days, 3-4 weeks left. So yeah, they're right around 3 to 4 weeks. So once again, they're eating all the nice sourced out from our local feed mill. You can see all the good stuff. Hey, let's see here. You can see all this good stuff in there. Corn, oyster shells. Oh boy, good stuff. It clearly works. As you can see, these guys are growing fast enough that they're pretty much outgrowing their feathers like normal. So, but they're loving that heat lamp tonight, huh?
Well, duh.
Yeah. So we'll spoil them, give them some heat, let them all dry out. See how this. Mason, what is that? Your pheasant or guinea?
Oh my God! The pheasant's in that coop. This is the guinea.
The baby guinea that we hatched. One of them. Yep. So the guard guinea. Hey.
What? Guineas are known to fly.
Yeah, well, it's a baby. Let's be nice. So
feathers.
This is, I guess, week 3 or 4 with the meat birds. Next round,
4.
We'll do an update video that on the first batch, I guess you would say, that I never got to.
What?
Yeah, we never made a video showed Butcher Day or any of that.
Oh.
But that did go successful, so thumbs up for that. Got like 48 that day, correct? Yeah, 48 we ended up with. Yeah. All ranged 5 pounds to
we got
4.5 plus to 7. So
this batch is we only lost 2. So we got.
No, 50. we lost quite a few on this batch. Really? I think 4. I think we're down 4 or 5.
Will one day ship.
It's like 8 o'clock at night, and as you can see, these guys are just still cranking away. That's all they do is eat. Eat.
Just like him.
But the first batch, as you would say, they all turned out really good. They're very delicious. One of the best meats that we had in a long time. Chicken that actually tastes like chicken. So.
Don't say that from the baby.
I can't really think of anything else to update them on. Really? Can you? Right?
No. You know I'm not good at that stuff. I'm only 9 years old.
So, So yeah, we just went and bought a different tarp, a little longer. Made it to where it wraps all the way down. Give them a nice little wind block.
Oh, they do like the bugs.
Yes, they do.
It's muddy, so
It's
it's
the best way to raise meat on nature's
the guinea has
green canvas, right?
The guinea has got so big.
Yeah. Guard guinea.
It looks like a male because it has like the beard, but that's how guineas are, babies. It looks like a raccoon.
So what do you say? We should shut her down?
I don't care.
Yeah. All right. Well, you want to tell them what to do?
Stop saying that in my eye!
I can't help it. If you want to be on the YouTube, I gotta put you on the camera.
Stop saying that in my eyes!
Like, share, subscribe. Pass it along. We really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.